In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix "You Can't Buy on Facebook Marketplace." If Facebook Marketplace is not letting you complete a purchase, don't worry. In many cases, the issue is caused by account settings, app problems, listing restrictions, or a temporary glitch. We'll go through the most effective fixes in a simple order so you can check each one and hopefully get back to buying quickly. First, open the Facebook app or go to the Facebook website and tap or click the Marketplace icon. This helps you confirm whether Marketplace is actually available for your account. If Facebook shows any warning, restriction, or notice, read it carefully and follow the on-screen instructions, since that may be the direct reason you can't buy. Next, make sure your Facebook account looks complete and legitimate. Use your real name, add a profile picture, and verify your email address and phone number. It's also a good idea to turn on two-factor authentication for added account security. A more complete and secure account is less likely to run into trust or access issues. After that, check whether your account has any restrictions. Go to Settings and Privacy, then Settings, and open Account Status or the Support inbox. Review any marketplace restrictions, warnings, or policy violations. If Facebook has limited your access, this section usually gives you more information. You should also make sure your Facebook app is up to date. Open the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, search for Facebook, and install any available update. Running an outdated app can sometimes cause buttons or features to stop working correctly. If you're using Android, you can also clear the Facebook cache, go to your device settings, then Apps, Facebook, and Storage, then tap Clear Cache. After that, restart the Facebook app. This can remove temporary stored data that may be causing the problem. Another simple fix is to log out of Facebook, wait a few minutes, and then log back in. This refreshes your session and can sometimes resolve temporary account or loading issues. If the problem continues, try using a different device or browser. Open Marketplace on another phone, tablet, computer, or web browser. This helps you figure out whether the issue is specific to your current device. Also, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and restart your router if needed. A weak or unstable connection can prevent Marketplace from loading properly or processing a purchase. You should also verify the listing itself. The item may already be sold, the seller may have removed it. Shipping or pickup may not be available in your area, or the seller may have blocked you. If the Buy Now button isn't working, message the seller to confirm the item is still available. Finally, Facebook may be having a temporary server issue, so wait a few hours and try again. If your marketplace access is restricted and you think it was a mistake, open Marketplace and look for a request review or appeal option, then submit your request and wait for Facebook's response.